Ooh, Blueberry, you're on Mommy's shoulders. You're Mommy's boy, right? Give Mommy a kiss. Good boy. You're Mommy's boy, right? Can we see Blueberry? Can we see Blueberry? I hope so. You're Mommy's boy, right? Give Mommy a kiss, kiss. Thank you. Hey, Rainbow. Rainbow, come. You're Mommy's boy too, right? Mommy got 3 good boys. You're 2 years old, right? Blueberry's at least 8. And Mango is 8. Yeah, we got 3 good boys. We got 3 good boys. And Mango loves Chickadee. Come here. Come on, a kiss. Give Chickadee a kiss. Yeah, go get Chickadee. Go get Chickadee. Can you give Blueberry a kiss? Can Mango give Blueberry a kiss? You guys are good boys, right? Good brothers? You're blood brothers, actually. How about Rainbow? Come here, Rainbow. Come join the flock. Rainbow, come. Come. Rainbow, come. Come, Rainbow. You don't want this? Your Smiley? Yeah, you want your Smiley. What a good boy. Yes. Can Mango give Blueberry a kiss? Good morning, Mango. Mango's on the left. Blueberry's on the right. Can you give Blueberry a kiss? Give Mommy a kiss. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Oh, you don't want to kiss. You want to stand on Mommy's finger. Okay. Kiss, kiss. What did you do? You hurled this toy right here on the floor. Hi, baby. Okay, let's stand on the play stand. Let's go on the swing then. Good boy. Blueberry's a very good bird. Okay. We're gonna get you some veggie now. Ooh. Wagging the tail. Mango. You're looking for Yum Yum, right? There shouldn't be any on the floor. And try to keep the floor clean, right? Okay, go explore. Mommy's gonna get you some veggies. Playtime, right?